Welcome, children. In today's session, we will practice some of the questions of chapter Water so that we will have some revision of that chapter. So, here the revision will be done in the form of practicing some multiple choice questions. These questions can be asked in any form: match the following, or correct the answer, or correct the statement, fill in the blanks, pure MCQ type, or any other form. So here I have given some samples of questions which we will practice. So the first question which is taken here is, which one is a process in which water changes into vapors in atmosphere? So the four options are evaporation, transpiration, precipitation, and condensation. Children, you are studying this particular topic since your grade 5 or class 5. So I think you all should be able to answer this question. So what is the correct answer? Evaporation. Why evaporation is correct answer? Because changing water into vapors is called evaporation. Yes. So moving on to the next question. Question number 2. Potable water is ocean water, groundwater at selected places, river water, or ponds water. So the answer to this question is groundwater at selected places, and the explanation or reason for this answer is potable water is a underground water at specific areas. Now next question is, which is not a part of water cycle: cloud formation, rain, drinking by animals, sun. So four options are given here and you have to choose that which one is not a part of water cycle. So correct answer is drinking by animals. Drinking by animals is not a part of water cycle. Rest all things like sun helps in evaporation process, its heat help in maintaining the water cycle, and rain also help in bringing back that water in onto the earth. Cloud formation is also one of the important chain in this cycle. So rest all options are part of water cycle. Only drinking by animals is not a part of water cycle. So moving on to the next question, which is a result of condensation of water vapors: rain, snowfall, hail, tiny water droplets. So the answer to this question is tiny water droplets are the result of condensation of water. Explanation is water vapor, being brighter, rises up in the atmosphere and cools down. It further condenses to form tiny droplets. Next question is, which one is the purest form of water? River water, groundwater, rainwater, or ocean water? So the answer is rainwater. Is circulation of water between ocean and land is known as water cycle, rain cycle, water management, or water harvesting. So the answer to this question is water cycle, because constant flow of water from the earth to the atmosphere and back to the earth is known as water cycle. Now the next question is, the percentage of water in potato is. Yes, this is little different question and interesting also. So you should know, it will increase your knowledge. That is 75%. 75% of potato is water. To check this, you can do one thing. You ask your mother to peel a raw potato for you, and then you try to just crush it or grate it with a grater. Then you will come to know that how much of water content is there in the potato. Not only in potato, in all the living beings, whether they are plant or animals, there is a very high percentage of water in their body. Out of these, which is not a source of surface water? Rainwater, river and lake water, spring water or sea water? So the answer is spring water, because rainwater, river water and sea water are the examples of surface water. So the last option which is left here is spring water. So spring water is not a source of surface water. Boiling point of water is, everyone should be able to answer this question. Yes, it is 100 degrees Celsius. This is very easy question, children. Now, plants release large amount of water vapor into the atmosphere by the process called as evaporation, condensation, precipitation and transpiration. Yes, one name is very familiar. You have already studied about this in your lower classes. That is transpiration. Transpiration is a process by which plants loses water in the form of water vapor. And now we will practice some of the questions in the form of fill in the blanks. So the first question taken here is, dash is needed for drinking, bathing, washing our clothes and many more functions. And the answer is water. The second question is, large parts of earth is covered by dash. Yes, large part of earth is covered by ocean and seas. Now the next question is, the water in the ocean is very dash in taste. So everyone knows about it. It is very salty in taste. Again, very easy question. That is, ice, water and dash are the three states of same material. So everyone must be knowing this question's answer. You must be thinking that what easy questions these are. Yes, all the questions are very easy. Answer to this question is water vapor. Ice, water, water vapor are the three states of same material, that is water. Now the next question, water vapors get continuously added to atmosphere due to evaporation and dash. So the answer to this question is transpiration. Next question is, falling of dash is called precipitation. So falling of raindrops or water drops in the form of rains is known as precipitation. Next question is, if water during precipitation remains liquid till it reaches the surface of earth, we have dash, we have rains. Now the next question is, precipitation in frozen form is called hail or snow. Next question is, water drops present on grass during winter morning is called as dewdrops. Next question is, dash carry the water which mainly serves the purpose of drinking, rivers. Nearly all the trains in winters run late because of natural phenomena known as fog. Whether the statement given below is true or false. The first question in this series is, water is needed in producing almost all material and goods that we use in our everyday life. So this statement is true. So the answer will be true. Now the next question is, oceans are the major sources of sweet water. Sweet water. No, oceans are major sources of salty water. So this particular statement is false. Now moving on to the next question. Water from wet roads, rooftops and other places disappears sometime after the rains. Yes, this is true. Because of evaporation process, it disappears from the rooftops, roads, etc. The process of condensation is opposite to evaporation. Yes, it is true. Clouds are the mixture of opaque gases. False. Condensation near the surface of earth result in fog. True. Rise in water level of rivers leads to, four options are given here: flood, drought, water scarcity, and dry lands. So the correct answer is already highlighted in this question, that is floods. Floods help in increasing the water level of rivers. Next question is one way of increasing the availability of water is to collect rainwater and store it for later use. This is called number 1, rainwater catching, number 2, rainwater harvesting, and the third option is catching water, and last option is water collection in catchment areas. So the most familiar term with you is rainwater harvesting. So that is the correct answer. Now the next question says, fog appearing on a cold winter morning and blackboard dries up after wiping, it is due to which process? The combination of processes are given here as an option. So you have to choose the correct option with correct combination in it. Here in this question the answer is already highlighted. So you have to focus and think that why this option is given here. So the options provided here are number 1, evaporation and condensation respectively. Second option is condensation and evaporation respectively. Then third option is neither evaporation nor condensation. Last option is both evaporation and condensation. So the correct answer is condensation and evaporation respectively. Now moving on to the next question, that is water vapor condenses to form tiny droplets of water in upper layers of air where it is cooler. These droplets fall down as rain, storm, cyclone, or drought. So the answer is very easy, that is rains.